What if I told you the world's biggest SaaS company is from India, which is having 100 million users and is competing with Google, Microsoft, Salesforce, etc. Till now, they have not got any kind of funding and it's completely bootstrapped. This is an incredible story of Zoho Corporation, the silent tech giant. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Bold Table. Zoho's story begins in 1996. Our founder, Sridhar Vembu, a graduate from IIT Madras and a Princeton University, initially started a company called AdventNet. Initially, it focused majorly on the software and network equipment providers. But when the dot-com bubble burst happened in early 2000, Sridhar got to realize that depending on a very big companies for the software is not a solution. So he pivoted his software services to a SaaS company. In 2009, the company AdventNet rebranded itself into Zoho Corporation, completely shifting their focus to a SaaS-based products and all-in-one in cloud. What is Zoho today? Today, Zoho offers over 55 plus applications in its ecosystem that includes HR tools, finance tools, event management tools, project management tools, etc. Zoho CRM directly competes with Salesforce. Zoho Mail directly rivals with Gmail. Zoho Books goes head-to-head with QuickBooks. Over 100 million plus users all over the world uses Zoho. That includes startups, education institutes, government, enterprises, etc. Yet, despite this scale, Zoho is still entirely bootstrapped, privately held and profitable. So, how does Zoho make money? It follows a very simple step. They have their monthly and annual fee per user. They are having all the tools in one single go, that is called as a unique bundle offer from Zoho that includes 40 plus tools in one login. But here's what sets it apart. Zoho doesn't spend huge amount of money on their marketing or PR. It relies on their product-led growth, high quality of services, affordable prices, loyal customer base. They don't pay for celebrity endorsements or ads. They let the product speak for itself. Now, let's discuss on the Tenkasi story, the rural tech giant. In 2019, Sridhar Vembu moved to a small village called Tenkasi in Tamil Nadu to start the head office of Zoho. Why? He just believed that the tech companies or tech giants should not only serve the cities, it should also empower the villages of India. Zoho began hiring and training the local youth just to prove that the world-class software can be built from anywhere, not just Silicon Valley or the Bangalore. This move of Sridhar Vembu challenged traditional India's IT sector, and other companies have inspired to look beyond the metros. Zoho believes in talent, not just the degree. In 2005, Sridhar Vembu launched a program called Zoho Classes of Learning, which is now turned into Zoho University. This in-house program takes in students past +2 and diploma, give them a training on software, communication and business, then absorbs those people to the Zoho workforce. Till date, 15 to 20% of the Zoho workforce comes from this initiative, many without a formal college degree. It's a bold and inclusive model, especially when our industry is more obsessed towards the IITs, MITs and MBAs. Most startups today run behind investors' money, but Zoho never raised external funding till date. Sridhar Vembu believes that once you get investors' money, the focus shifts from customers to valuation. Zoho has no investors, no IPO and no board. Just the founders, the team, the customers and the growth driven by the pure value. It has stayed private, profitable and completely in control of its destiny, which is a rarity in today's unicorn-obsessed world. Do you think Zoho has not faced any kind of challenges or criticism from its existence? Of course, Zoho isn't without challenges. Competing with tech giants like Microsoft, Salesforce, talent retention in rural India, limited public visibility due to zero marketing, operating outside VC's ecosystem means fewer media spotlights. But Zoho embraces this silence. It believes in building quietly and serving deeply. What are the lessons that the startup founders and the entrepreneurs can learn from the Zoho story? Very basic thing, you don't need a VC funding or any external funding to build something big. You can build a real value and definitely users are gonna follow it. Profitability is a strength, not at all a weakness. You can grow global products from small towns of India. Focus on people, not just products. Zoho proves that success doesn't need hype. It just needs your vision and a deep sense of purpose. Zoho is not just a company, it's a movement, a quiet revolution that's redefining how Indian tech companies has to be built. with values, simplicity, and long-term thinking. It didn't chase the limelight, it didn't chase the millions, but it built something that millions of users depend on every single day. This is Zoho, built in India, used by the world.